But oh my goodness. It was a group of construction workers working on electric poles, and Tulip crawled on a man's boot and just sat there and was like, I don't have a home. When we first got her, it was just 24-hour care. This little beaver could not swim at all. So I ended up spending time just showing her how to dive. I put toys at the bottom of the pool that she had to swim under and get, and slowly she started to swim and dive. Her infection was done, her fur grew back, she started gaining weight. The beavers I've had use their tails as a chair, and Tulip, of course, uses it like a balance when she's grooming. She's a little awkward with all of her scratches, and it looks like a dance. And today, my goal is to release Tulip back to the wild.